Okay, this is my fourth video on new technologies in the classroom. Um, this one's a little bit outside the box. Obviously, I'm on the website with it's called trainwithpush.com. Push velocity based training is something that we are going to integrate into our strength and conditioning programs next year. Uh, I've got a little experience with it, but I haven't used it on the whole as I'm switching from social studies to the weight room. My previous videos have been things that are pretty traditionally or for the traditional classroom. Uh, Push is a system that it just helps integrate technology into the weight room. I'm just going to take you through uh, this. You can utilize velocity-based training to assess our athletes' drive training intent, improve performance with objective training data. Here's all the things that come along with it, or the ones that we have ordered: the portal, the band, and the app. You can send workouts and receive data instantly. Helps in planning workouts faster. We shove a lot of kids through our weight room on a daily basis, and we want to be we want run the risk of not being individualized with them all. Um, so this helps us plan individual workouts quicker for our student athletes. Helps us track athletes, develop individual training plan, enter data. They can see where they're at as far as workouts go on an individual basis. Uh, you can use this for remote coaching if you have the app. It tracks every rep. Um, there's just a lot of things that you can do with this technology inside the weight rooms, and our goal is to uh, be connected to each individual athlete a little bit better than traditional coaching in the weight room. This will be new for us. Um, It's an interesting program. We haven't ran it for an entire class period yet. We tried some of it this summer. We still need some practice, but we're going to integrate it into our strength and conditioning classes in the fall. Um, I said this goes along with ISTE for educational leadership. Engage education stakeholders in developing and adopting a shared vision for using technology to improve student success, informed by the learning sciences. We've researched this. It's the best one out there. We're going to give it a shot. We're going to share our lessons learned, best practices, challenges, and the impact of learning with technology with other educational leaders who want to learn from us. We're one of uh, a few high schools that are doing this in Kansas, and we've all kind of gotten together uh, to promote and see what we can do with this program going forward. Thank you.